Hey there everybody, today is Friday the 22nd day of September 2023, about 9:06 in the morning, and you can guess by this that I'm at Crescent Park. What I'm going to do is Crescent Park is in Littlefield, Texas. I'm going to show you some interesting things. We're going to start off with a little time lapse and you'll see what I'm talking about, and as I go through I'll show you some of the more interesting things of the park as well. Alright, so stick with me and hope you like this one. Okay, hope you enjoyed those time lapses. I know I enjoyed making them and looking at them, but one interesting thing I want to show you is they have several of these little picnic tables. It's covered, you see, with trash, and a girl right there. Right there they got one of them little blue dolphins. There's another one of those picnic stands. There's another one over there. And so let's keep going a little bit and I'll show you something else. Alright, so you see the playground out there. They got a bunch of little slides and things to climb on. Out there's a little metal slide and a metal seesaw way out there. Here's another little picnic tree stand here. And then I've got all these little trees I want you to see. And when I say little, I mean they're very nice. Like this tree here. Like that very good. Got a couple of dumpsters here for people to use. And then as we come around here, again you still notice those same trees. Just showed it a minute ago, but you look right there in front of us and you'll see that that's a pavilion, picnic stand, whatever you might want to call it, I don't know. But the weird thing is they don't have any picnic tables underneath of it. I find that a little strange, but they don't. And again, there's your look at that picnic stand and more of the playground. But that's what that pavilion is, and we're closer to these trees here. You can see how nice they are. But let's keep going and see what else we can see. So right here in front of us, you see is the basketball court on this side. And there's that little playground just for reference. That net's cut off there. And that one is a little cut off. More trees and more of the curves. But let's keep going and I'll show you what little bit else there is left here to see. So as we walk by here, you see they got those, well, at least used to be called monkey bars when I was a kid. You see how crazy that sky looks. And then right here, some sort of a, I don't know, it's like a sand gravel pit. You'd think they could put some better sand in that, maybe turn it into a volleyball net, something like that. Would be ideal for that. Other than that, as far as I know, I think there's one more thing to show you, and that should do it for this. So stick with me for that one last thing. Alright, right over through here is the last thing I wanted to show you that has an interest in this park, and that is the tennis courts. Now they're old. Look like they haven't been used in quite a while. You got two of them. They're fenced in. You can see there as I walk backwards away from them. Got a couple of benches there for people to sit on and watch. But yeah, as we get closer to this curve, you'll be able to see the nets way up closer, and you can see the panel lines, everything's still there. That's good, but the nets kind of look worse for the wear, and so these are not used very much. I've been here 3 days in a row. I've never seen anybody use them. But that's the tennis court, and that's the last thing here. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Hope you didn't like those time lapses, time warps. I enjoyed those. Those are good looking little things. And it shows you all the curves in this park here. The way they've set this up, they've done that because from what I read online, one lap around this park equals 1 mile. So that explains all the curves and everything. I've just never seen a park made like this one with this type of a walking trail. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this one. Give it a thumb up, subscribe, share, comment, blah, blah, blah. And I will see you on the next video. Take care of yourselves now.